So here we found that the number, or the 7mm nuts were missing. Now, of course, I don't have a 7mm nut like they do on the factory. So, for the time being, I stuck 2 nuts on there with a washer. Mainly so I could get enough thread on it, and so I could use one as a jam nut to keep it from backing out on me. Somebody else, at one time or another, had pulled that stud out. Well, it looks like I'm not sure what the hole was drilled for, but they put a socket head cap screw in there, or an Allen screw. Obviously they threaded it and stuck it in there. What I'm not 100% sure on is that they didn't drill it out and hit something else. Of course, since I got the bike, the flange here was dangling on the exhaust. The socket head cap screw was loose and the other nut was missing completely. So this thing has lost its seal and I haven't replaced that yet. It's on order, so it may be a couple days. But if you notice around here, you got a lot of oil. And at first I thought it was coming out of the valve cover. But before I address that, if you can see that little bit of oil resting on top of that flange, and you can see where it and carbon have been coming out of that exhaust pipe, or that exhaust on the side of the head. So I don't know why we would have oil coming out of there. That doesn't seem right. Unless we're just flooding the engine and that's not really oil. Which could be. I don't know. So, if anyone's seen that, or if maybe that's your handiwork, that would be even nicer to know. Or, I just can't figure out what they drilled that out for. Unless they put that bolt in and then expected to put a pin in to keep it from moving ever again. I just don't know.